Hello? Hello? Anybody there?
Oh, well, hello there. What may I do for you?
Oh, a goat. Cool. I'm wondering something.
Oh, well, alright then. I'll just go back to bed.
Wait. It's really important.
Is it now? Well, alright. What is it?
I'm wondering if you know if it's gonna rain.
They know it's gonna rain. Oh, my dear little elephant. If I knew the answer to that, I'd know the answer to all the problems of the world.
I suppose. Do you think anybody would know?
Good question. I'm not entirely sure. But, well, you could ask the sea dragon or the water dragon.
That's true. They know everything about water.
Yep. And, wait. Why? I'm getting wet. There's water coming down on me.
Oh, yeah. He likes to do that.
What? He who?
Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there.
So, it rained after all.
Huh. Yeah, I guess it did.
I'm going back to bed.
Doesn't like a wet goat.
I don't like being wet.